Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time stumbling across one of my videos, I do focus on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that seems like something that you may be interested in, please think about clicking on that subscribe button if you enjoyed the content, of course. Also, if you are already a subscriber, go ahead and click on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay guys, so today's video is super exciting. I got a new bag, and I showed you guys on Instagram. You guys actually helped me choose the bag, and I put a poll up and I was like, you guys, I'm in a dilemma. I went in for one bag and my essay brought out a different handbag, and I was stuck. Okay, first of all, I'm a Libra. I'm very indecisive. It's just in my nature, so you cannot give me too many options. We will be here all day. So I did pick up a new Chanel, and as you can see, it is still wrapped so beautiful, so pretty, and the box is just adorable. I love this. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Isn't she gorgeous, you guys? So I picked up this pink square mini Chanel, and you guys, I love this bag so much. So if you watch my 10 fall fashion trends or something, whatever, the styling video, I showed you guys a Gucci wallet on a chain, which I've had for a little minute, and I mentioned how I needed to upgrade that. So I've had, you know, a pink bag on the brain. I went into Chanel just browsing around, and my essay brought out this bag, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is like almost the exact same color as my Gucci walk. However, you can fit way more in here. So I tried it on. My boyfriend loved it too, so I was like, oh, I need to get this. But I was like, I didn't come in here to spend this kind of money. Let me sleep on it. Well, I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I went in the next day, and you guys, he had two bags for me. He had this bag, and he also had a tweed Chanel pink 255. And what got me with that bag is that the chains are so shiny and beautiful, and also it had like some lucite pink on there, and you guys know how I feel about lucite. So I asked you guys, like, oh my goodness, which bag should I get? I came in for this bag, but he's showing me this bag, so I'm in a dilemma. Well, you guys voted, and you all voted for the classic, and I just decided to go ahead with my first mine because that's what I went in for. But you guys, that tweed bag was so pretty. I'm still thinking about it, but I'm still happy that I got this one. So I decided to go with the lambskin, you guys. I've been wanting a lambskin bag, and I know they're very, very sensitive, like, you know, they get marks and stuff like that, but I just think the lambskin is just the most prettiest. The caviar is obviously a little bit more durable, but the lambskin just looks so beautiful, so classic and elegant. And this pink color in the lambskin, I just don't think that the caviar would have done it justice. So let me open this up for you guys. As you can see, it does have the silver hardware, silver chain. And I like the fact that this is like a deeper pink. It's not like a baby pink. So I feel like this can go, you know, with all the seasons, summer, spring, fall, winter, because it's such a, you know, deeper shade of pink. So here it is, you guys, in all its glory. And the chain is just so nice and pretty. I just love this little pink bag. It's so precious. I'm going to add a top handle to this just because, you know, I love a top handle bag. But the reason why I really like this is because it's going to fit way more than my wallet on a chain. So that's why I didn't really carry the Gucci one a lot, because I couldn't even put my keys in there. So this one is obviously a lot thicker in the width. and you know, it has a lot more depth in there. So I love this bag, and of course it's a classic, so you need you like a cutesy classic Chanel, and this one is mine. I just love it so much. So I think the retail on this is $3,100. My essay hooked me up though, not gonna lie. So I did not have to pay like the price increase or whatever that, I don't know the new price on there, but I love this bag. But the real test is to see exactly how much would fit in here. I know it's gonna fit way more than the Gucci because obviously it's thicker. However, we want to see how much can fit in such a small bag. So I'm currently carrying my mini Lady Dior, and this bag I feel like holds a decent amount, you guys. It really does. And in comparison, they seem to be about the same size. So I'm going to transfer everything in here to here, and let's see if it's going to close. So the first thing that I always bring with me is my little LV pouch, and this is like the Murakami, I think, design, the old school like multicolor. Love this. So I'm gonna stick her in here, and I do have the regular monogram that's a little bit smaller, so we'll see if this fits. All right, so far it does. Next, I have my Hello Kitty mirror. I always bring this with me, and this is a little thick for a mirror. You can get a lot thinner ones, but I like this one, so I'm gonna stick her in there. Next, my lip options. Now, this is my everyday lip options. I always have a nude set, which is going to be a lip liner, a nude lipstick, and my liner. So I'm going to stick that in there. And I always bring a red lip. You never know when you're going to have to transition into a red lip. And I'm telling you, a red lip can really amp up your look. So if you're coming from work and you need to go somewhere really quick, throw a red lip on. I promise you. It's fab. I also have a little bit of cash on me, so I'm going to stick that in there. I also take my keys with me, and that's important to be able to fit in here. So this is what it's looking like so far. And I'm not one of those neat bag packers. I throw my stuff into my bag and go. This one I may need to be a little bit more careful because the keys can kind of scratch it up. And last but not least, I have my iPhone 11, and I'm going to see if this fits. And it does have a case on it as well. So I need to move my keys on top, looks like. I'm going to take these rings off because I don't want to scratch it up. So let's see if she's going to close. And she did, but she is packed pretty tightly. So I'll show you the sides. Everything did fit. This is what I carry every single day. And everything fit in here. She's a little heavy now though because of that phone. Usually my phone is in my hand, but I always have to have a bag that my phone can fit in when I do want to put my phone away, because I can't stand always having to carry it and not having the option. So I always make sure that my phone can fit. I tested that out in the store and it does. Now, one thing I probably will do is change out my little card case and just use the smaller LV monogram one because it's a lot smaller and all my cards fit in there perfectly. But yeah, this is what we have. It's perfect. I love the color. Look how good it looks against this yellow too. It's such the perfect color. I cannot wait to style this up this season and even in the summer and spring as well. So. So that concludes my Chanel unboxing and what fits in my Chanel Square Mini. Let me know if you think I made the right decision by going with the classic, or would you have gone with the 255 tweed? I absolutely loved the tweed one. It was the medium size, I believe, and it was so cool. One thing I thought about that bag though that made me kind of lean a little bit more towards this one, of course with you guys' help as well. That bag, I would only wear it casually. Only. It was just like a bag that I would really only wear with jeans. I feel like I can do a lot more with this bag. I can wear it with dresses, jeans, you know, kind of dress it up a little bit, but yeah, I just thought this one was a little bit more versatile. And of course, this was the one that I went in there for. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for helping me out. Your girl is so indecisive, so I don't even know what I would have done if you guys did not come in with the overwhelming response with the classic, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you on my next one. Bye, y'all.